Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by choosing the best site and correcting the soil so your chocolate rain idea can actually grow. First, ensure 6-8 hours of sun and good drainage. Plants need light to develop sugars that produce fragrance and flavor. Once chosen, test pH and nutrient levels, add lime or sulfur to reach pH 6, 0.7, 0 and mix in compost for organic matter. Make sure to loosen soil to about 30 centimeters and form beds, so roots establish rapidly and evenly. You now place plants and commit to a steady care routine that builds flavor and bloom. Plant at the recommended spacing from the packet and water with drip or soaker lines so moisture is even and roots don't stress. Consistent moisture encourages complex compounds. Once seedlings are set, apply 5-7 centimeters of mulch to conserve water and reduce weeds. Make sure to feed with a balanced fertilizer at planting and side dress, monthly, to sustain growth and fruiting through the season. You finish by harvesting at peak maturity and handling yields so the garden remains productive. Cut fruits or flowers cleanly to prevent infections and cure or use excess in compost. Rotation each year reduces pest buildup. Once done, inspect plants for stunting or discoloration. If growth is poor, check pH, drainage, and root health, then adjust water and add a gentle fertilizer. If pests appear, use targeted controls and isolate affected plants. This single troubleshooting tip saves an entire season.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.